Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping a little bit, minus 0.34%. However, the candlestick is bullish, meaning that Tesla is giving us a very nice opportunity to buy. Let me explain why it is an opportunity to buy in this video, and we're going to analyze a few scenarios on Tesla. But first, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, just subscribe because I do daily analysis, I do daily videos on Tesla and many other tech stocks. I'm sure you're going to find something valuable around here. So seriously, consider subscribing. And if you want to trade with a solid trading methodology with a proven track record, consider subscribing at our trading newsletter. So far, year to date, we are beating the market by a mile. We have an alpha of 24%. The S&P is dropping almost 10%. We are going up almost 15%. So our performance is amazing. Every single detail is here on our website. Link in the description of this video. Now back to Tesla. In my humble opinion, this is a very nice and good bullish reaction because Tesla just dropped today to retest the $976 area. This resistance over here, this red line, again, 976, is the most important support level. I'm so sorry I said resistance, right? It is the most important support level in Tesla. As I have been telling you guys for, I don't know, days, weeks probably so far. So this is the most important support level. Tesla hit this area again today and it did a fantastic reaction. It filled this gap over here, this monster gap, the earnings gap, and we see what seems to be an ignition, a bullish ignition bar. This is very interesting because what this tells us, it is telling us that clearly there are people buying Tesla over here. They are not letting Tesla to drop below this support level. It means that there are buyers in the area. And why are they buying over here? Because probably the market sees value in Tesla around this support level. So that's a very nice and safe area to buy near support levels. As I always like to tell you guys, when you trade individual stocks, if you want to trade Tesla, always try to buy near support levels, especially because Tesla is a very high volatile stock. Okay, so always try to buy near support levels, always try to time the best you can. And right now, okay, we are still below the 21 EMA. We don't see any crystal clear bullish reaction. However, in the 1 hour chart, Tesla is doing this. It's trying to do a bullish pivot point. Can you see? We have a bottom, a top. At the EMA, we hit the EMA and then we drop it. Now, we formed a bottom level over here higher than the previous bottom. Now, if we break the previous top, if we break the, let me see, 1008, if we break the 1008 area, then we're going to trigger, we will officially trigger a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. The volume, in the first hour of the day, the volume was quite good. Now the volume is decreasing as usual, but it seems we are talking about an ignition bar. And usually after ignition bars, we see just sideways corrections. That's totally normal. If we break the previous top, it's going to be at the same time a bullish pivot point triggered. What would be the first target, the first resistance to work with in this scenario? Would be around 1034, okay? Nearly 1035. Let me see, 1034. That's going to be the next resistance level for us to work with. And bypassing this resistance, we have no other resistance other than the 1087. So the scenario is quite interesting. We have more upside potential than downside potential in my humble opinion. Let's talk about the daily chart, the midterm. In the midterm, again, we still see this red line at 976. This is clearly the most important support level in Tesla. We are doing a bullish candlestick. It is a very nice bullish reaction. And this is amazing. Back to the 1 hour chart. When Tesla did this monster gap after earnings, I saw many people euphoric saying that Tesla now is going to fly, we will never drop back again. And right now Tesla is dropping back again to the same levels it was pre-earnings. So some people might complain about this, but in my humble opinion, that's great. That's fantastic. It feels like thanks to Tesla's volatility, it will always gives us a second chance to buy it because the volatility is pretty high. And when we see the market in such a crucial moment like this, for instance, the Nasdaq right now is going up a little bit, but look how much the index dropped since it hit its 21 EMA. Tesla still didn't drop. It is still looking, technically speaking, great above support levels, while the Nasdaq is in such a catastrophic scenario. Right now, it feels like it wants to react. I just wanted to see a better reaction in the 1 hour chart like Tesla is doing right now. But so far, okay, that's just good. It's not great, but it's good. The S&P is trying to do a hammer candlestick pattern today. We are still dropping, but the candlestick is totally bullish. Again, in the 1 hour chart, we don't see a meaningful bullish reaction, but I like the fact we are trying to fill this last gap over here, making it an exhaustion an exhaustion gap, and we are doing a bullish candlestick pattern right now. In my humble opinion, I just wish the indices could drop a little bit more. Maybe the S&P could retest the 4167, this black line down here. Maybe the S&P could drop to the 12576, this black line, this previous support over here. But it seems this is not going to happen if this reaction confirms in the next day, tomorrow. But technically speaking, Tesla is looking good. But what if the indices drop more? What if they retest their previous support levels? Will Tesla drop more? Could Tesla lose the 976? In my humble opinion, no, Tesla will not lose the 976 even if the indices drop a little bit more. But let's think about a more catastrophic scenario. Let's say that Tesla is going to lose this support level. Guys, I think if we lose this support level, we have the 21 EMA in the weekly chart to hold the price. In the weekly chart, the EMA is at $950. And this is very interesting. When we use Fibonacci in the weekly chart, we see that right now we are just at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. This point coincides with the support level at 976. This support, the most important support level in Tesla. So it feels like the 38.2% retracement is a dual support level that works in both the daily and the weekly chart. What if we lose this support level? Usually when we respect the 38.2% retracement, when we lose it, we retest the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, meaning we could drop to 875. That's the most catastrophic bearish scenario I can think about Tesla right now. So far, is there something telling us that this scenario will happen? No. Why? Because we are still above the 976. Okay, so as long as we don't see Tesla losing this support level, we cannot think about this bearish scenario. Okay, so far, I think it is just an opportunity to buy near support levels, doing bullish candlestick / chart patterns. Tesla is looking great right now. It is looking bullish. I don't see any reason to believe Tesla will turn bearish. Technically speaking, of course, we'll see. I will keep you guys updated every single day. So remember, subscribe to this channel. Are you still watching this video and are you not my subscriber yet? Subscribe. Probably you are enjoying the content. Probably you are liking our videos. So thank you very much for watching so far. Stay safe. Farewell.